Hello, my name is Carly and I'm the Customer Support Manager for Click2Mail. Today I'm going to show you how to create a CRM Hub integration. The CRM Hub supports direct mail integrations with Podio, Follow Up Boss, Salesforce, and Google Sheets. For this demo, I'm going to create a Google Sheets integration. Before you create an integration, you have to connect your CRM and Click2Mail accounts to the Hub. You also have to create a job template. We do have videos that show you how to do those things, and I'll post them in this video's description. There's a small handful of definitions to clarify before we continue, because I'm going to use these phrases frequently. So first, a job is a mailing, and second, a job template sets up the document that you want us to use to create a mailing or job that will print and mail whenever a trigger fires on the CRM side. Third, a document is what you want Click2Mail to mail when a trigger is fired on the CRM side of a Hub integration. Next, a data source is used to define the recipient address block and provide variable data that's inserted into the document as mail merge fields. This is typically a CSV or Excel file. Finally, variable data and mail merge can be used interchangeably. These terms refer to information in your data source that changes record by record. Mail merge drives mail piece personalization, so your documents can read "Hello Carly," "Hello Lee," or "Hello Antoinette" based on who the mail is being sent to. Now we're going to create the integration. To begin, visit hub.click2mail.com and log in. Once you log in, you'll be delivered to your CRM Hub dashboard. Click Create, located in the upper left of the UI. Then click Integration. Now give your integration a name. You will thank yourself if you give it a meaningful name that will help you recall its purpose in the future. Then confirm your Click2Mail account information by selecting your username from the menu. Then select the data source, which in my case here is Google Sheets. Using Sheets will require you to choose a watch type. For this example, I'm using Google Sheets Watch because my trigger is going to occur when I add a record to a Google Sheet. Then I'm going to select my source account, which is C. Brown. Click Next when you've finished with this page. Now select a folder on the Google Drive where your monitored sheet is stored. Then select the Google Sheet. Now a list of the columns in your sheet will appear in the space on the right. Click Next to proceed. Now we're going to select a template that was created in our Click2Mail account and click Next. Now we see a list of fields from the data source, and we need to match those up with fields from the Google Sheet. Going down the list, match the recipient address block fields, the body merge fields, and any other fields that are in the data source in the sheet. Do this by selecting them from the drop-down menus. And when you're finished, click Next again. After you click Next, a proof will be generated and downloaded to your device. View it carefully to make sure you like the document, and if you do not approve the proof, you'll go back to your Click2Mail account to modify it. If you approve, you'll enter your initials, click Yes to approve, and then click Finish. Now the integration is finished. Anytime a record is added to the sheet and indicated as being ready, a mail job is automatically going to be created. The record here could be added manually or by something that integrates with Google Sheets. This really is a great way to automate your mailing processes. And while I did use Sheets for this demo, the process doesn't look that different if you're creating an integration with one of the other available CRMs. If you have any questions, you can reach out to us. Our customer support team is standing by. Thanks for watching and have a great day.